Having said that, we have pulled together a very good and talented pool of lawyers and support staff. We feel that AAC Law is and will be able to provide or continually provide good quality services to a growing number of clientele, both individuals and corporate clienteles alike.
Happy anniversary sa AAC Law. And nandito kami ngayon dahil sa walang tigil na suporta ng aming mga kliyente, lubos na pagmamahal ng aming mga empleyado at sa katulong ng aming mga galing na lawyers.
So, aside from the fact that the law firm is already laying the foundations for its first ever AAC Law Tower, the legacy that we want to leave the community is an organization or a center that will provide able, efficient, and innovative lawyering that will not necessarily break the bank, but will allow more people, more clients, more corporations to avail of such type of services.
AAC Law's mission is to cultivate a world-class workforce of diverse, competent, passionate, and skilled attorneys and staff, offering a wide array of legal services that is technology-driven and working under the firm's shared values of providing AI lawyering, able and innovative lawyering.
AAC Law aims to become an enduring standard of excellent legal services, which through its world-class team of attorneys, will continue to aid its clients create and cultivate their own world-class businesses. AAC Law also aims to put up its first commercial or mixed-use mid-rise building on or around the same year.
Able and innovative lawyering.
We are a law office. We are a kumbaga corporation. So we want to instill to each and every one of us that we should be professional at all times, not only with our coworkers, not only with our clients, but most especially with even the lowly members of the society.
And it is our hope that our brand of lawyering would be considered as a standard, not just in the legal field, but across different fields of services.
We are